Hi everyone, this tutorial will show you about Google Contacts. You're going to go into the account that you'd like. You're going to click on your waffle and you're going to find the icon that looks like this and it says Contacts. If it's not there, scroll down and scroll down even farther and it'll offer you more apps. So go ahead and click on your contacts. Go ahead and click on Create Contacts. You can import it if you'd like, if you have a CSV file. Go ahead and click on Create Contacts and you can create multiple contacts and you can add in all of their email addresses here. You can label it however you'd like. So if you like your school account or period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's totally up to you, but that's a way to do more than one contact, or you can create one contact at a time. So it's just showing you your options. Thank you.